when Gary and Kit started Clif Family Winery and Farm, they wanted to build a business that was built around the 5 aspirations. Not a single bottom line, not even a triple bottom line, but 5 bottom lines. And that is really what we call the 5 aspirations model of doing business. And all 5 have to come together, kind of like the cogs in a bike wheel. They all have to be in balance so that the bike can move forward. Our 5 aspirations: sustaining our business, sustaining our brands, sustaining our people, sustaining our planet, and sustaining our community. And that's how we treat business here at Clif Family. Sustaining our planet at Clif Family is really about thinking like a tree. If you think about a tree, they run on renewable energy, they recycle all waste, they nourish and sustain the places that they grow. And so we really think about our processes in terms of sustainability in thinking like a tree. We start with organic food and farming, we get into our sustainable production, zero waste, and then conserving and restoring our natural resources. And that's really the full model of sustainability for us and how we think about our business. So we think like a tree, we act like a forest. Everything starts at Clif Family with organic farming, and we have been fortunate to be able to farm some beautiful property in the Napa Valley. We have 10 acres of estate vineyards up on Howe Mountain and a new 80-acre estate vineyard in the Oak Knoll district of Napa Valley. So we farm 90 acres of grapes over about 10 different varietals, and it is all CCOF certified organic and Napa Green certified. It's really important to us that what we do in terms of sustainability begins in the ground with our farming, and organic farming has been part of what we do from day one. We also have about 5 acres that we farm to other crops. So we have olive trees, fruit orchards, and we have a lot of vegetables that we plant and grow for our food truck. So we call it the true farm to food truck cuisine. And we are growing peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, over 70 different crops throughout the year. And our farm manager, Tessa Henry, manages that process with our chef, John McConnell. And they really work together to figure out what we need to grow. When we think about sustainable production, it's about all of the inputs that go into making the final product. So in terms of the partners we work with to make our olive oil and our jams, our hot sauces, our nut mixes, we've really created partnerships with those companies to develop more sustainable systems, and we give them the resources and support to help them do that, because a lot of them are also small businesses. When it comes to packaging, a lot of that is in our hands, and there are so many options and opportunities now to create more sustainable packaging. So from lighter weight glass and more sustainable options in wine packaging to recyclable packaging in our food products, we have spent a lot of time in the last couple of years really focusing on how we can minimize the waste and increase the recyclability of our packaging. At Clif Family, we're all about adventure, and that means enjoying our natural surroundings, enjoying the outdoors, the playground that's the backyard of the Napa Valley here. And in order to do that and sustain that, we have to really focus on how we conserve our natural resources and how we make sure that these beautiful areas that we like to enjoy are here for the long term. So we focus on that through community partnerships, getting out and doing community service days, working with companies and organizations that help sustain our local community and the places that we work and play.